Good afternoon, students. I hope you are doing well. And today I'm going to English. I'm taking English class. And last time we studied about that the enormous turnip, right? The last time I was read the story. I was tried to clear with story, right? I hope you read this story, and the remaining today I'm going to take this reading is fun. These are the exercise part. You can see here. Okay, the questions which are they given us, you have to write the answers in your notebook. Okay, so now let's discuss. Reading is fun on the page number 28. Okay, the first question is, what did the old man plant? What did the old man plant? The answer is, the old man planted some turnip seeds. The old man planted some turnip seeds. Next question, why was it difficult for the old man to pull up the turnip? Why was it difficult for the old man to pull up the turnip? Why? Because it was enormous. Because it was enormous. Next, who helped him to pull up the enormous turnip? Who helped? The answer is the old woman, the boy, and the girl help him to pull up the enormous turnip. There are three people, that is a old woman, a boy, and a girl, right? The next question, who ate the enormous turnip? Who ate? The old man, the old woman, the boy, and the girl. The four peoples ate the turnip, enormous turnip. So this is the answer you have to write in your notebook. The next question is, name and draw four vegetables that have to be pulled out from the earth. Now name them in your own language. Which vegetables you can pull out from the earth? Do you have any guess? Yes, potato, beetroot, carrots, and radish, right? So you need to write the answers and draw the vegetables. Okay, the next question is, how many vegetables can you find in the maze? Draw a circle around each word. One has been done for you. So this is a table or maze, you can see here. So around it, number of vegetables they drawn with the name. So we have to find this name in the table. For example, they shown us one potato, right? What is the next one? The next one is peas, right? So where is the peas? Here is the peas, right? You can draw like this. The next, what is the next? Beans, right? So where is beans? Here is beans. So like this way you have to find for turnip and tomato and carrot. So for these three you have to find it and write the circle, make a circle around the words. This is your homework, you have to do it. The next is a game of opposite. The entire class can be divided into two groups, where one group says one word and the second group says the opposite word. So these are the two groups, that is group 1 and group 2, right? So for group 1 they have some words like pull, back, black, true, right. And in group 2 we have to write the opposite words. For example, for pull, the opposite for pull is push. For black, opposite word for it white. For true, it's false. And right, for right, it's left. Okay, or right, you may right or wrong, you can write this way also. So you have to write the answers by this way. Okay, this is how the game goes on. Some words are suggested here. How may pick up some more words from the lesson. Okay, so these are the other words and we have to write the opposite for that also. For example, far, Far, the opposite word for far is near. For good, it's bad. For dark,